In short period of time, this biker recorded several fails from drivers. He even confronted one of the drivers.
Go on then. I think babe, it weren't me. Are you f***ing retarded or something? Are you f***ing idiot? How did you not see me? Now.
Instead of panicking and heartbreaking, this biker found his way out. He was aware that his best option was to speed up and go around.
Vad gjorde du?
Getingehen man!
Nej!
Åh! Jag fick en geting i örat.
These bikers don't leave fellow rider behind. After spotting fellow rider in trouble, these bikers made sure that he's okay, and they even helped him retrieve his bike from the ditch.
We're gonna need a strap or a rope or something. We're not gonna be able to lift it like that. You got a strap?
I didn't bring it today.
No?
Hey, if we get his strap,
Yeah.
5 guys on it, we'll get that bike up here.
Yeah.
Block traffic.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I think that might work. The crash bar.
Hey, listen, we're gonna use a car.
Let's pull it, man. We got like 10 people here.
On this side.
Let's go, baby. I got the brake. Yeah. I got a workout for today.
I think you would be okay as long as you didn't have a totally short leg. Oh fuck.
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's doing.
This biker tried to take a turn way too fast, and he almost crashed his brand new Harley Davidson. Sometimes you should trust your guts, as this biker said that he had bad feeling about driving these days.
Yeah, I'm good, bro. Bro, can you get my bike?
Yeah, man, I got you, bro.
Man. Yeah, I'm good. It's just gonna take.
You sure?
I think so. My arm's pretty.
Oh, dude.
Can you help me up? It's gonna take us like months to get back to. Legit. It's such a waste of money.
Stay there, don't move, don't move.
Had a bad feeling about this today, eh?
Can you feel your toes?
I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. It's all good. It's just my arm.
Oh, I can see it. Oh, bro. Alright, can you post it down for me?
Huh?
Is it broken?
No, it's chill, bro.
Is it?
I think so.
It looks f***ing broken. Oh, it's off. What are you doing?
Broken? Is it?
It's f***ing broken. Stop moving it.
Alright. Oh man, if it's man, I'm pissed.
Right, relax, alright?
How bad is the bike, bro?
I don't know, it's not too bad, bro.
How bad is the bike?
I can't see it, bro.
You can't see it,
Like, I can't get a good look at it.
bro. This makes me want to give up, man.
This biker said that he was riding his road legal motorcycle on fully legal unclassified road when he was confronted by an angry walker. Take a look.
Right, tell you what then. Phone the police. Phone the police with that reg. Take a picture. Go walk on a footpath, not a road. This is a public road. Go walk on a footpath if you don't want to see a bike. Get a grip. Ripping up rock. Ripping up rock.
It gets everybody else up here. You don't get it, you're spoiling it.
Get a grip.
You get a grip.
No.
Go somewhere else, lad. Go wherever you come from. You have a good day and carry on spoiling the countryside. That's what you're doing, idiots like you.
2%.
No, idiots like you. They're all squad bikes. I've come up here since you're that big. I'm a local, right?
Right, I've been going away for 5 years.
I don't care. I live here. You're all with
I live here.
bikes,
I live in Horwich.
quad bikes and everything. You crack on, lad. Good lad.
Get a grip. Sado.
Get a bit. Some idiots like you. All this is getting wrecked. It's like the mountain bikers, isn't it, lad? They're ripping everywhere up.
Well, I'm not a mountain biker.
Don't matter.
I'm ripping up where I'm legally allowed to be.
Oh, carry on ripping up then, lad. Crack on. You f***ing prick.
Do you think your feet don't cause erosion?
Eh? You're shut up. Don't even go there. Are you godless individual, you and what?
You're gormless. Get a grip.
I don't want to see you on a Sunday morning with noisy motorbikes up here. Get it? I want a peaceful walk.
When are you coming on Sunday afternoon then? I won't be here.
No, I come in the morning, mate.
So do I.
So you don't get idiots like you coming up in there. So you get a grip. Good lad.
No.
Get you retard.
No. Boring bastard.
You what?
Boring bastard.
Boring bastard. All this will be gone in a few years, won't it? Because of idiots like you.
What'll be gone?
All this because you're wrecking it.
What'll be gone? The road will be gone.
Thick? Are you thick?
The road will be gone.
Yeah. Because you're f***ing it. Look what you've done. All the four what you've done. Are you thick?
It's an untarmacked road.
Are you thick? Go look at the bottom there. It says signs up. No motorbikes.
Where does it say that on this lane?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't exactly because this lane is legal.
No, it's not.
It's a public highway.
This is not an highway, you retard.
It is a public. Let me show you the map.
I don't want to look at your map.
Because you're ignorant.
No, you're ignorant, how bad. Why are you putting it on me now? Because you're a retard, right? You're driving a
I'm putting it on you because it's illegal right away.
No, it's not. Have a good day, man. You carry on ripping.
Get a grip. Hey, go and destroy countryside on your mountain bikes like he says they all do. Idiot. Make sure you go nice and slow past him. No.
What did he say?
Say I'm not allowed to be here.
You don't see off-road cars that come through.
It's a public road.
It is, believe it or not, yeah. It's not been tarmac for a while, but
Well, it's an unsurfaced road, so...
I'm just literally pedalling down side by side doing what? Not 5 mile an hour?
Yeah.
Chatting to each other and a fella walking his dog. Can you slow down a bit, please?
slow the down.
Slow down, well stop.
I'd have clapped him.
Oh. Idiot.